Hello, everyone, and thanks for joining us. Today, we take a deep dive into the current condition of Griggs Rd. We'll examine all potential problems and uncover any likely issues that you may face as you travel on Griggs Rd. Without further ado, let's get started. Currently, Griggs Rd is in fair condition. Griggs Rd is a bumpy ride for most drivers, and Griggs Rd has developed multiple types of pavement distress, including deep longitudinal cracks and alligator cracks, likely due to extreme heat in Houston, shifting clay soil, and an aging infrastructure in this area. These surface failures can cause real damage to automobiles, such as tire and rim damage, suspension and alignment issues, wear on shocks and struts, especially for drivers who commute daily through the area, and potential undercarriage scrapes. Also, the multiple concave manhole covers on Griggs Rd can be a hidden hazard for many drivers. When a manhole cover sits too low, it creates a sharp depression that can cause sudden jolts leading to bent rims or tire damage, especially when driving at higher speeds. Moreover, Griggs Rd lacks an appropriate road shoulder. Without a proper road shoulder, drivers have no safe space to pull over in the event of a mechanical issue, flat tire, or medical emergency. This forces vehicles to stop in active lanes, increasing the risk of collisions. In situations where a driver needs to swerve to avoid a hazard, the lack of a shoulder leaves no room for recovery, potentially leading to rollovers or crashes into nearby obstacles. Pedestrians and cyclists are also at greater risk, as they are forced into the flow of traffic with no designated buffer. Emergency vehicles may struggle to navigate congested roads, delaying critical response times. In short, the absence of a proper road shoulder compromises safety, visibility, and maneuverability, making Griggs Rd far more dangerous for all users. And another issue of concern are the homes that are built at the edge of Griggs Rd. When homes are built too close to the street, it can create a number of safety and livability concerns for both residents and drivers. Noise pollution and air quality issues become more pronounced when homes are situated just feet from moving traffic, affecting the health and comfort of those living inside. Additionally, the lack of space can hinder emergency services, limit landscaping options, and reduce overall neighborhood walkability. And Griggs Rd has multiple train track crossings that can pose serious hazards if drivers are not attentive. These crossings, often unguarded or located near busy intersections, require heightened awareness and caution. Trains can approach quickly and with limited warning, especially in areas with poor visibility or where crossing arms are malfunctioning or absent. Drivers should always slow down, look both ways, and listen carefully before crossing any set of tracks. Also, the faded road markings on Griggs Rd make it difficult for drivers to gauge lane boundaries, turn lanes in the correct spot, and see pedestrian crossings, especially at night or during rain events. And without clear visual cues, motorists risk drifting into adjacent lanes or veering off course. At the same time, the encroaching vegetation on Griggs Rd can obscure road markings and block sightlines at intersections. In some areas of Griggs Rd, drivers will encounter lots of automobiles on the side of the road. Many are in line waiting, and others are parked, all of which can be potentially dangerous for drivers. It is important for drivers to remain vigilant as they pass parked automobiles. Additionally, drivers will notice the speed bumps placed in certain areas along Griggs Rd, as they are used as a traffic calming device. These vertical deflection measures force drivers to significantly reduce speed to comfortably traverse the humps. Lastly, while Griggs Rd may be bumpy and have issues of concern, Being vigilant along Griggs Road will keep you safe.
Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. The trip channel will help you plan smarter, safer routes. By checking the trip channel regularly, you can avoid rough or blocked roads, adjust your timing, and prepare for any challenges ahead. A few minutes of planning can save hours of frustration and help keep you and your passengers safe on every trip. Also, the trip channel isn't just for planning. It's also a great way to reconnect with streets you know and love, whether it's the route you took to school, the road to your favorite diner, or that scenic stretch you once drove at sunset. The trip channel lets you see what's changed and what stayed the same. Take a moment to reminisce and explore familiar paths from a fresh perspective. Sometimes the best trips are the ones down memory lane. And by the way, if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video. If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip Channel.